Maintaining healthy testosterone levels is important. This is especially true as men age. When levels drop too low, problems can arise. Testosterone plays a key role in building muscle. It does this by promoting protein synthesis. This process helps muscles repair and grow after exercise. Think of testosterone as a construction foreman. It directs the building blocks for strong muscles. Without enough testosterone, muscle growth is limited. Low testosterone levels can lead to muscle loss. This is especially true as men age. This loss of muscle mass can impact strength and metabolism. Testosterone is a key player in metabolism. Metabolism is the process of burning calories for energy. A healthy metabolism helps control weight. Testosterone helps the body burn calories more efficiently. It does this by increasing lean muscle mass. More muscle means more calories burned, even at rest. When testosterone levels decline, metabolism can slow down. This can lead to weight gain, even without changes in diet or exercise. Low testosterone can lead to increased body fat. Testosterone is a crucial hormone in the male body, playing a significant role in various bodily functions, including the regulation of fat distribution. When testosterone levels drop, it can disrupt the balance of fat storage and metabolism. This is often seen as an increase in belly fat. Belly fat, also known as visceral fat, is not just a cosmetic concern. It is a deeper issue that can affect overall health. Men with low testosterone levels often notice a significant increase in their waistline, which can be frustrating and concerning. This type of fat is particularly harmful to health. Visceral fat is stored deep within the abdominal cavity surrounding vital organs such as the liver, pancreas, and intestines. This proximity to essential organs makes subcutaneous fat, which is stored just under the skin. When testosterone levels are low, the body tends to store more fat. This is because testosterone helps regulate the body's metabolism and fat distribution. Without adequate levels of this hormone, the body is more likely to store excess calories as fat, particularly around the abdomen. At the same time, it becomes less efficient at burning fat. A decrease in testosterone levels can slow down the metabolic rate, making it harder for the body to burn fat. This means that even with a healthy diet and regular exercise, men with low testosterone may struggle to lose weight. This creates a vicious cycle of weight gain. As the body stores more fat and burns less, weight gain becomes inevitable. This can lead to a cycle where low testosterone leads to weight gain, and weight gain further lowers testosterone levels, making it even harder to break free from this pattern. This weight gain can have serious health consequences. Excess weight, particularly around the abdomen, is linked to a range of health issues. It can put extra strain on the heart, increase blood pressure, and lead to insulin resistance, which is a precursor to diabetes. It increases the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and other conditions. The presence of visceral fat is a significant risk factor for cardiovascular diseases and metabolic disorders. Addressing low testosterone levels and managing weight through lifestyle changes and medical interventions can help mitigate these risks and improve overall health. Testosterone is a crucial hormone in the human body, playing a significant role in various physiological processes. It is particularly important for men as it influences muscle mass, fat distribution, and overall energy levels. However, when testosterone levels drop, it can lead to a cascade of changes that affect the body in numerous ways. Low testosterone can lead to a decrease in muscle mass. This is because testosterone is essential for protein synthesis, which is the process that helps build and repair muscle tissue. Without adequate testosterone, the body struggles to maintain muscle mass, leading to a gradual decline in muscle strength and size. This can be particularly concerning for athletes and individuals who rely on their physical strength for their daily activities. This loss of muscle is often replaced by fat. When muscle mass decreases, the body's metabolism slows down, making it easier for fat to accumulate. This is because muscle tissue burns more calories at rest compared to fat tissue. As a result, a decrease in muscle mass can lead to an increase in body fat, particularly around the abdomen. This shift in body composition can have significant implications for overall health and well-being. This process can further slow down metabolism. A slower metabolism means that the body burns fewer calories throughout the day. Even during periods of rest, this can make it more challenging to maintain a healthy weight and can contribute to weight gain over time. Additionally, a slower metabolism can lead to feelings of fatigue and decreased energy levels, making it harder to stay active and engage in regular exercise. Imagine a car losing its engine power and gaining weight. Just as a car with a malfunctioning engine struggles to perform efficiently, a body with low testosterone struggles to maintain its optimal function. The added weight further complicates the situation, making it even more difficult to move and perform daily tasks. It becomes less efficient and harder to move. This can lead to a vicious cycle where decreased physical activity results in further muscle loss and weight gain over time. This can significantly impact an individual's quality of life, making it harder to engage in activities they once enjoyed and leading to a decline in overall health. The same thing happens to the body with low testosterone, the loss of muscle mass, and the increase in body fat can lead to a range of health issues, including insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. Additionally, low testosterone levels can affect mood and mental health, leading to symptoms such as depression, irritability, and decreased motivation. The shift from muscle to fat can make it harder to lose weight. Even with a healthy diet and regular exercise, individuals with low testosterone may find it challenging to shed excess pounds. This is because the hormonal imbalance affects the body's ability to burn fat and build muscle, making weight loss efforts less effective. It can also make it easier to gain weight back even after successful weight loss. This can be incredibly frustrating and disheartening for individuals who have worked hard to lose weight only to see the pounds return. Understanding the impact of low testosterone on the body is crucial for developing effective strategies to manage weight and maintain overall health. By addressing the underlying hormonal imbalance, individuals can improve their chances of achieving and maintaining a healthy weight, as well as enhancing their overall quality of life. Low testosterone doesn't just affect the body, it affects the mind too. Men with low testosterone often experience mood swings and irritability. They may also feel more anxious or depressed. These emotional changes can significantly impact quality of life. Low testosterone can also affect sleep patterns. This can lead to fatigue and difficulty concentrating during the day. It's important to recognize the signs of low testosterone. Early detection and treatment can prevent long-term health problems. Common symptoms include low energy levels and reduced muscle mass. Men may also experience decreased sex drive and erectile dysfunction. Other signs include increased body fat, particularly around the abdomen. Mood swings, irritability, and difficulty sleeping are also common. Testosterone plays a vital role in energy levels and motivation. This hormone, primarily produced in the testicles, is crucial for maintaining various bodily functions. It influences everything from muscle mass and bone density to mood and mental clarity. When levels are low, men often feel tired and sluggish. This fatigue isn't just about feeling sleepy, it's a pervasive sense of exhaustion that can affect every aspect of daily life. Men with low testosterone may find it hard to get out of bed in the morning or to stay awake during the day. This lack of energy can make it difficult to exercise and maintain a healthy weight. Physical activity becomes a chore rather than a pleasure, leading to a vicious cycle of inactivity and weight gain. Regular exercise is essential for overall health, but low testosterone can make it feel almost impossible to keep up with a fitness routine. It can also impact work performance and personal relationships. The mental fog and lack of motivation can lead to decreased productivity and increased stress at work. This stress often spills over into personal life, causing tension and misunderstandings with loved ones. Low testosterone can also affect libido, leading to a decreased interest in sex. This isn't just about physical desire, it's also about the emotional connection that intimacy brings. A reduced sex drive can make men feel disconnected from their partners, leading to feelings of inadequacy and frustration. This can put a strain on intimate relationships. Partners may feel rejected or unloved, leading to arguments and emotional distance. It's important to recognize that these issues are often rooted in hormonal imbalances and not personal failings. Seeking medical advice and treatment can help restore balance and improve quality of life for both partners. If you suspect low testosterone, consult a doctor. A simple blood test can determine your testosterone levels. Treatment options vary depending on the severity of the deficiency. Testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT, is a common treatment. TRT can involve injections, patches, or gels that deliver testosterone into the body. It's crucial to discuss the risks and benefits of TRT with your doctor. Certain lifestyle changes can help boost testosterone levels naturally. These include maintaining a healthy weight through diet and exercise. Regular exercise, especially strength training, can increase testosterone production. Getting enough sleep is also crucial, as testosterone levels are highest during sleep. Managing stress through techniques like meditation or yoga can also help. Stress can negatively impact hormone balance. Testosterone is essential for men's health and well-being. Low testosterone can lead to a range of physical and emotional issues. Recognizing the symptoms and seeking treatment early is crucial. Lifestyle changes can also play a significant role in managing testosterone levels. By taking charge of your health, you can reclaim your vitality and live a fuller, more energetic life.
Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.